Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm making fluffy donuts. This recipe is very easy to follow, so sit back and learn how to make donuts. I'll be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour for this recipe. And I add in 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter in place of margarine. I'll be mixing the margarine together with the flour. I'll make sure to mix well until they are well coated together. After this, I will add half tablespoon of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you need your donuts to be very sweet. I added a pinch of salt, then I go ahead to mix all my dried ingredients together. Now it's time to add water. I added half cup of room temperature water when I mix everything together. The water I added earlier was not enough, so I added a tablespoon of water. You have to make sure your water measurement is right so that your dough can come out right. After my dough is ready, I'll sprinkle some flour on the wet surface, then place the dough on it and also sprinkle some flour on the dough. Doing this will make kneading the dough easier. I'll go ahead to knead this dough for 20 minutes. I'll make sure to knead this till it is soft and smooth. I'll place the dough in a greased bowl and cover it up to rise for an hour. After an hour, the dough has doubled in size, so I'll take it out of the bowl and divide it into smaller chunks. I'll make sure they are all same sizes. You can use your measurement scale to get an accurate size. Now it's time to roll each chunk into a ball. I'll go ahead to roll this into a ball and then with the doughnut cutter, just look at it and roll on it. And make sure I seal the mouth and then roll it on the table to form a ball. After rolling this, I'm going to place everything on a flat tray. After placing them on the tray, I'll still leave it to rise for 8 minutes. I'm going to go ahead to add now you can see it has doubled in size. Now it's time to fry. I'm going to place the oil on low heat. Get your donuts right and need low heat to medium heat to fry. It's not high heat. I'm going to place it on Try this recipe and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more good recipe. Till I come your way next time. Bye.